Hello and welcome to this new video on how you can log in onto your Spotify account. So if you are new, subscribe and press the notification bell icon so you don't miss any upcoming further videos. Now let's get started with the tutorial. Firstly, you need to open the web browser of your choice. After that, in the web browser, there is a search bar on the top. You just have to click on the search bar and type Spotify. And when you have successfully typed it, you just have to press enter in your keyboard. After that, this web search result will be shown, and in the first search result there is Spotify. You just have to click on it. After that, in the top right corner, there is a login option. Just click on the login option. Now I just need to enter my email or username or password. So when you just scroll down a little bit, this option will be shown. Now I'll just enter my email and the password. After this, I just have to press on the login key. So I'll just click on the login key or the button. So as you can see, now I have successfully logged in into my Spotify account. So this is how you can easily log in into your Spotify account. If this video was helpful to you, press the like button. Thank you.